Hello friends, today I'll start how to install vCenter 7.0. So first of all, before starting, I will introduce about the vCenter minimum requirement. So you need to choose your deployment environment like Tiny. Tiny is you can up to 10 hosts and you can manage 100 virtual machine in this environment, and you need 2 virtual CPU and 10 GB memory at least required to install 7.0. So another one, small, medium, large, and X large environment. So according to your environment, you can choose your installation type, but this is my test environment. So I'm going to choose tiny environment. So I need at least 2 virtual CPU and 10 GB memory to my target ESXi server where I'm going to install this vCenter. So first of all, I have vCenter setup. This is vCenter setup 7.0, and open this folder. There would be VCSA UI installer. Just open it, go to Win32 folder and select installer.exe. Here it is. Let me open. Okay. So first of all, I will choose install option. Click on next, accept agreement, next. vCenter server deployment target. Just put the ESXi or vCenter name where you want to deploy your vCenter. So let me put the IP of my ESXi where I will install. Okay, fine. Finally, let me minimize it. Now, then root credential. Next, click on yes. Now, vCenter VM name. This is vCenter underscore 7.0. Set root credential. Re-enter your password and click on next. So this is my test environment. I will choose Tiny. So I need 2 vCPU, 12 GB memory here. So it is recommended to have 12 GB memory and storage 415 GB, 415 GB is required. And we can add in this deployment up to 10 hosts and we can manage up to 100 VMs. Now click on next. Select data store. I will choose thin disk mode. Next. So IP assignment, if you have static IP, just choose static and enter FQDN IP address and everything, but I will choose DHCP in my case. Next. Review these settings, then click on finish. So in stage 1, deploy vCenter server is in progress. It will take 1 minute to deploy this server. Now it's completed. vCenter deployed. Now I will click on continue and it's loading stage 2. Stage 2 part will be to configure vCenter. Stage 1 we deployed vCenter and stage 2 set up vCenter. So click on next in order to set up your vCenter. It is time to configure NTP to synchronize time. So I will use ESXi. Either you can enter NTP server IP address or FTDN, or you can select synchronize time with ESXi host. I will enable SSH access. Click on next. Create new SSO domain. You can choose any SSO domain. I will use vSphere by default, vSphere.local. You can choose something like xyz.com, xyz.local, anything, but it is recommended just use vSphere.local. And SSO credential, administrator at that vSphere.local credential would be whatever you can set. Let me set my credential and click on next. Let me uncheck this as it's not required in test environment, and next. And I will click on finish. Okay. So configuration is about to start. Now it started. So stage 2 started and vCenter setup is in progress. It will take 2 more minutes. So now it's completed. So I got the IP 172.168.172. Let me copy this and close. So this is the IP which is assigned by DHCP on this vCenter. Close. And automatically it will redirect to vCenter. But no problem. Let me cancel it. And open new browser, paste here. Either you type 443 or directly type IP, enter, go to advanced and proceed this IP. So one more thing, we got only HTML login. So Flash based login is removed in 7.0. This is new, which I got. Let me click on this HTML5. First time I'm going to log in into this vCenter. Okay, now username vSphere.local, password, login. Let's see how it look like, because I'm very curious to know about how vCenter 7.0. Let's wait. Because I'm very used to use Flash based client, and now I have to work on HTML based client only. Okay, this is the first look of vCenter 7.0. So there is no ESXi added, or there is no inventory. So I will proceed with vCenter 7.0 new features, and I will add more ESXi 7.0 in this inventory. So I will cover those part in next video. So this is 7.0 installation. Thank you so much for watching this video.